Hi everyone, welcome to Food Menu channel. Today's my menu, holiday special, restaurant style, mushroom masala with Suji Poori. This is very big, delicious, rare combination. Let us start. You take 1 cup of sim- semolina or suji or rava and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida and add water gradually, then mix the dough. I'm not going to add salt for this recipe for this puri. If you want, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then close and keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Then for curry, I am using here 2 packets of mushroom. In the summer season, mushrooms color was changed. Yesterday I bought this from market. That time it's white in color, and the night only changed the color. But anyway, wash properly. Then cut two or four pieces and keep aside. Take 250 grams of tomato and grind it. Make a tomato puree. Then keep aside. Then take a kadai. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once cumin fried, then add 200 grams of chopped or sliced onions and 2 to 3 stems of curry leaves. Chopped this also, and take 7 to 8 green chilies and chop nicely. Then stir continuously until onion transparent. Keep on stirring. This is very delicious recipe for children or guests. You can make for holidays. Once it change it in color, change the color to transparent, then you add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then add masala, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder and cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Then stir continuously. All masalas will fry, and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. It will release the good aromatic. Then add prepared tomato puree. Fry this puree 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. Then add salt. It will fastly cook if you add salt. Salt, there is no measurement. As your taste, you can add the salt. Some people will use less salt. Some people will use more salt. That's why there is no correct measurement. Once cooked tomato puree, then add 1 cup of curd gradually, 2 to 3 times add and stir continuously. The recipe should be on medium flame to low flame only. It will take 20 to 25 minutes time for entire recipe. Now add mushroom pieces and add 1 cup of water. 1 to 1.5 cup you can add. Then mix well. Then close and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. It will take time. to soften the mushrooms. Then I'm using here handful of cashews I soaked in hot water for 10 minutes. Then add little water. Then grind the cashews nice paste. See, very nice. Keep aside. Now mix the dough 1 or 2 minutes or until soft. Then make a balls. Lemon size balls is enough. Now check the curry one time. If mushroom softened, you can add other ingredients. Cashew paste. Add 1 cup of half cup of water. If this curry required more water, you can add half cup water extra. Then add 1.5 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Stir 2 to 3 minutes after putting the kasuri methi. Once cooked well, check the gravy consistency. Then finally add coriander. Curry is ready. Keep aside. Make puri without dry flour. You can apply the oil if it is sticky. On high flame, fry the puri. Medium flame, it will not puffy. Fry two sides and edges, then take out. Comparing to all-purpose flour, suji is best to the puri or wheat flour. Our delicious recipe is ready now. Now time to eat. After cool down, it will be puffy. That's why I did not add salt. If you add salt after few seconds or few minutes, it will not puffy. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.